Hello everyone! If you're looking to clear your YouTube watch and search history, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure your privacy and keep your YouTube history clean. So, let's dive right in. First, launch the YouTube application on your mobile device. Then, tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access settings. Choose Manage All History Settings. Select the YouTube account for which you want to clear the history. You'll be directed to your YouTube history page. To delete specific entries, tap on Edit and select the items you want to remove. Click Delete and choose whether to delete for today, a custom range, or all the time. For a complete wipe, select Clear All Time to delete your entire YouTube watch and search history. And there you have it! Your YouTube history is now cleared. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.